and Action Sports Center.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to a special unboxing video. What is our special edition, Nilo?
Because today is Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Aww.
What do we got?
Let's see, how many races do we have?
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh,
There's 5.
this one we don't know what's in here. There could be one or multiple. We'll have to wait and see. Let's see what we got.
Say first on the list is.
What you got? Ooh, what do we have?
Guess what?
What is it?
Finally, I've been waiting for this guy for a long time.
What do we have?
Number 4.
Ooh.
And his name is Sterling Marlin.
And he's yeller. A yeller guy. Let's see.
Sterling Marlin in the number 4.
Sterling Marlin. Let's see.
1994 edition.
Ooh, he is from Columbia, Tennessee, and he was born on June 30th, 1957.
That's a couple days after. Let's show the phone. Oh my gosh, another yeller.
Another yeller. Number 4. Welcome, Sterling Marlin, to Nilo's Racing Club.
Where should I put it? Ooh, maybe I'll put it right here.
Ooh. Making it 9 wide, Nilo. Who do we have next?
Say, look, folks. Say it.
Look, folks. What do we have?
Phil Parsons in the number.
What number do we have? What is it?
It's 29.
Ooh, we have been missing a 29 for our 29th day of the month, right?
Well, there's no 29.
Not this month, but last month there was.
Last month.
Number 29.
Let's
wow.
show the phone.
Phil Parsons.
Say, make some noise
for Phil Parsons. Welcome. Here we go.
Phil Parsons in the number 29.
All right. We have 3 more. What do we have?
Hey, yeah, that's drum roll. Tim Fedewa in the number 40.
Tim Fedewa?
Yeah. In the number 40.
Wow, this is from 1996.
Yeah, from 1996.
Wow. Oh, he's from Holt, Missouri, and he was born the same month as the Nemesis.
What?
May 9th, 1967. So my birthday is 10 days after Tim's. Number 40.
Sing it's a Ford Thunderbird.
Wow.
Wow, May 9th, 1967.
And this one is 10 days after the Nemesis birthday, Bobby Hamilton. Wowzers.
Check it out, folks. Say, make some noise for Tim Fedewa.
Tim Fedewa.
You mean Tim Fedewa.
Fedewa.
In the number 40. It's a Ford Thunderbird. Put him right here. Remember, guys, this next one.
What is on there?
This next one is not typically a racer, but this is the Christmas present that I got from Hilaire.
Oh, I love it. And look what there is on there.
Good frog!
Get the frog. What is it, Nilo? Let's see. Let's show them. Right here. What is this guy? It's a brainless rabbit.
Let's unbox him.
Let's unbox him. Let's see.
Now we'll have to think of a. Oh, wait a minute.
right, here we go.
Show them.
Number 86, and this also comes with a helmet. Oh, the car goes inside here. So this is like the helmet, and it's actually like a little charger. So if you look inside, there's like a little charging unit. So this guy will go right in here. And it charges him, I think. So he can sit right inside the helmet. Right inside there.
Yeah.
And then there's these little buttons that we can use to steer the car later once we let it charge. So we'll let him sit in here, and maybe we can do a video later where when the car is charged.
And then what would you say then?
Then we can take him on a little race.
What would you say then?
Ooh, welcome, welcome, little NASCAR racer. All right, Nilo.
No.
One final.
Uh-oh. But I think we need some scissors.
Yep, I brought some actually. I brought some down.
And show the phone what color it is.
They are a Josh blue.
All right, here we go, Frog.
All right, here
Sports
we go.
Author.
All right, opening the final gift for Nilo. This one is from Mermy, which is Nilo's mom. What do we think it is?
Yes.
Can you guess? Is it another racer? We got lots of bubble wrap. How exciting. What is in there, Nilo?
Can't get them out.
Who is that?
This guy.
What do we got? Who is it?
Number 15.
Ooh, did we need a number 15?
Guess what?
What?
Number 15, and who is it?
Who is it, Nilo? What do we have?
Jerry Nadeau.
Jerry Nadeau?
Yeah.
Wow. It's a stock car and the busman.
From 1995.
That's right. Ooh, he's a September 9th from Danbury, Connecticut. Number 15, Jerry Nadeau. Welcome, welcome.
Not. Oh my gosh. Just like the Tim Fedewa car, this one is also a Ford Thunderbird.
Yeah. Pretty cool. That one, the colors of that one are almost the same as this guy.
Get close to, let's show them up close.
What do we got? 15, Jerry Nadeau, right?
You know what?
Yeah.
Get close to the phone and say, make some noise for Jerry Nadeau.
Make some noise for Jerry Nadeau in the Cooper Busman 15.
Ford Thunderbird. Wait,
That's
I'm
right.
actually gonna put them right here.
And that back there. Alrighty. That is all of our racers unboxing videos for the day.
What do we say?
What do you say?
See you at Valentine's Day. Yell the color.
Yell the color where the nemesis has taken over, thanks to the girls.
Of Mina and Miss Gridley.
That's right. Mina and Miss Gridley helped the nemesis out, or the girls' team.
See you at Yell the color.
See you there.